Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Julie, third for a flash, take it off from me. Get out of the car! Alright. It's gonna be a silver Mazda going eastbound on the Parkway. I no longer have eyes on the vehicle flagler. I added her 14 to the call. It was going eastbound on the Parkway so far. It appeared that she might have been actively stealing from that smoke shop the owner was chasing after her. She has a felony warrant out of Vermont. It's violation of probation reference, I believe robbery. It was passing Advent North, and I got caught up in traffic. Hey, out of the car! Out of the car!
I'm coming.
Put it in park.
I am. I'm coming.
Put it in park, step out.
I will. Just a second, please.
Stop reaching.
I'm not.
Stop reaching. Get out of the car.
Stop grabbing me. I'm scared.
Okay, get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back.
Please. I need to tell my partner.
Stop. No, put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. You're going to get tased. Do you want to get tased?
No, you don't need to do that. I'm
Okay,
listening.
no, you're not listening. Put your hands behind your back and keep them there.
I will listen. Please don't put cuffs on me. Please don't put cuffs
Stop.
on me. Sir, please.
Stop.
The car's on and
I know it is. Julia 30 flagger, female detained.
I'm 7 months pregnant.
Okay, well, you need to start listening then. Okay?
Can you please keep on talking?
No,
I promise I'll listen.
no, you're not getting cuffed right now. And as soon as I get another deputy here, we'll work on that, okay? But right now, you're going to stay in handcuffs. Okay? You tried to back up on me when I told you to stop.
I know, I'm sorry.
Okay, and you didn't get out of the car when I asked you
I
to.
was scared.
Okay, no, listen. Okay?
Scared. I'm
You need to start listening, and then things will go different. You were reaching on the side of the car. What are you?
My phone.
Okay,
Look.
okay, you don't reach when the cops are here.
I'm sorry.
Okay, this isn't your first time dealing with the police.
What do you mean?
What do I mean, Taylor?
I haven't dealt with the police.
Taylor. Really?
I just got to Vermont. I don't know anything.
You just got to Vermont, you're in Florida.
I know. I mean, I'm from Vermont.
Yeah. You haven't dealt with the police in Vermont?
Not in years.
Not in years since you were a kid?
Yeah, since I was like 19.
Okay.
Are you gonna take me somewhere?
Taylor, you have a warrant for your arrest.
What do you mean?
You have a warrant for your arrest out of Vermont.
So you have to take me somewhere?
Yeah. As soon as they confirm the warrant, you're going to be taken somewhere. Yeah, you got to go to jail.
Why?
Why? Because you got a warrant out of Vermont.
My baby's coming.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to undo this cuff. Don't. Just keep your hands where they're at, okay?
Can I take my meds first?
No, we'll take them with us. I can't give you meds right now. All right, do me a favor. Just lean against the car for me.
I'm gonna be sick. I don't understand.
Why are you going to be sick?
Because I need to take my meds.
Okay, what's your meds for?
I'm addicted to something. They're in the car.
Okay.
I just don't want to be sick. I have water. Can I please just take them?
What? Calm down. First of all, okay? Okay, if you're going to be sick, I can call paramedics here. Okay? But this is what is your meds?
It's those.
Are they in your name or are they in a prescription bottle?
Neither. They're just from the store. Please.
Okay, I can't give it to you right now. I'm going to turn off the car. Stay there, okay? Whose car is this? Who lives here?
Can I wake my boyfriend up?
No, not right now. Who lives here?
Like, who's the owner's name?
Yeah, I mean, who do you live with?
I live with my boyfriend, like 7 other people.
Okay. Do you know who owns the house?
Mark, please don't take me. Can't you just cite me?
No, if you have a warrant from Vermont, you have to go to jail.
I'm having a baby, though.
Taylor, spell your last name for me.
C-R. I don't want to lose my baby.
You're not going to lose your baby.
I am if they're going to take me to jail.
I mean, what? You violated probation of something?
2 years ago.
Okay, well then why didn't you just take care of it?
Because I was scared, and then I was in the hospital for almost 3 months. And when I got out, I was living in some place really far away. I couldn't get there, so I figured time kept going by, and I never reached back out.
I mean, this is what happens when you let things just fester.
I need to tell my boyfriend I'm leaving, that I'm getting taken.
We'll take care of that. So I have a unit close by that could be 1051. 740. Now you're going for escape.
Oh, please. I'm just scared. Ow, my wrist.
Okay, then you shouldn't have ran.
I'm sorry, I'm scared. Ow, ow, ow.
She just took off on me.
I'm sorry, I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
You another charge?
Yep.
I'm pregnant and I'm scared.
Okay, well now you just got more charges. All you want.
I'm just pregnant and
How pregnant
scared.
are
I'm
you?
sorry. 7 months. Or 6 months, sorry.
6 months pregnant? Did she fall or anything?
Huh?
Did she fall or anything like that?
No.
I'm sorry, I'm just scared.
Why'd you run? You're 7 months pregnant and
I
you're running
know,
from the police?
I'm just so scared. I'm sorry.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, I don't have any pockets.
Female search, if you want to go for me. Have a seat.
Juliet 30 Flagler. Is there a female 1037 that could be 1051?
Took off on her own again.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm just scared.
You messed up.
I'm
big
sorry.
time.
I'm scared.
Big time. All right.
I'm just scared. I'm sorry. I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
well-
a bad person.
Well, you got charges out of here. You got charges out of Vermont. You did not make your situation any better. Any better at all.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't really care that you're sorry, to be honest with you. Okay, you put a lot of people in danger with your reckless driving. And then you were obviously, looked like you were stealing from the smoke shop over there as well. That's why the owner was chasing after you. So.
My friend gave me these things one time and I got addicted to them now. And I've been trying to taper down off them. I'm sorry.
That type of shit doesn't fly here in Flagler County. All right?
I'm sorry. I know you don't care, but I don't know what to say other than that I'm sorry.
Did she,
Go off on me.
she took off on you too? Like on foot or what?
Yeah, on foot. And I was just sitting here, and then all of a sudden, when I called for another unit,
Yeah.
she just took off. But she was reaching over here to the left, or to the right rather. And when I pulled up, she was backing out. She wouldn't get out of the car.
Really?
Yeah.
No one else came outside?
No, but that's what I was.
Yeah. She's telling Cut that she was trying to steal a kratom.
Kratom?
Kratom? Kratom?
I don't know. There's something here. OPMS. The warrant's confirmed?
Yeah. So the one they're still running it, whatever. But I already know that they're gonna extradite. So. You already read Miranda?
Yeah.
All right. Is this it?
Yes.
This is all you took?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all she took.
That's what she saw.
Yeah.
Perks.
It's empty. Yeah, it's some chewable.
We taking that as evidence?
Yeah, we'll take that as that. I mean, I don't even know if they want to. We don't even know if they want to pursue, if they're looking to trespass or what. I'll find out though. I'll still take it with us.
This is your cell phone, right?
Yeah.
You want your purse?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I mean, we can take her.
Yeah.
I mean, we already got. I mean, she already got all the charges. She's already got all the criminal charges that she has to worry about. You asked me to be cool with you, and then you go do that. Like, I don't understand. Like,
Not working. It's just frozen and I don't feel good. I'm sorry. I do apologize.
do we know what they have at the smoke shop yet? That's not.
I think it's just petty theft.
All right.
So the owner was literally running out after her as I was pulling up. So she was like running towards the car, and I'm like, what's she doing? And I see the owner running out after her. So I was like, oh, okay. So she's clearly stealing from here as well, and he's trying to stop it. This needs to be tightened a little bit more. Just don't do anything silly, Taylor. I mean, I don't want to add any more charges to you. You already got enough, you know? All right, you're good. You can take a seat. You are good. I'm going to try to give him those keys back real quick. No one wants to answer the door. I hear somebody in there.
All right, somebody's coming.
I hear him. I don't...
Sheriff's office.
Okay, don't do that right there.
What?
You have a warrant?
No, we're.
Get the out of here.
We want to give you the keys to the car.
Set it on the table. That's how.
No, get the owner of the car. Get the owner of the car, please.
Excuse me.
Can you kindly get the owner of the car? Can you get?
All right.
I didn't ask you if you lived here. I said, can you get the owner of the car?
No.
I'll play it for safekeeping.
Get off the property. Thank you.
Okay, we'll keep it for safekeeping then.
Yeah, that's fine.
No,
No, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. That's where it's going. Yeah.
That's not your key. You said that's not your key. I'm the sergeant. I'm the sergeant. You said this isn't your car. We want to get the keys to
This
the...
isn't your car. The car belongs in this driveway. How do you know that?
How do I know
How
that?
do you know that key belongs
You just
in
told
this
us.
driveway?
Because we just arrested the girl that was in it, who was your girlfriend.
That's not my girlfriend.
Taylor's not your girlfriend?
I have no idea. Who is that?
Okay. Well, do you want to get, is Tammy here, whose car this is, so we can give her the keys?
Okay, let me call the guy who lives here again, because that might have been something you should have led with.
I asked you.
You pounded on the window and said, "Can you take this car key?" You didn't say anything about that. What are you talking about?
All right, look.
I have it on camera.
Look, all thing we're trying to do is get the car keys to the owner.
Bro, Mark is Tammy's son. This is Mark's house. I don't know what the hell you're talking about, but that display of behavior is not professional whatsoever. And then to say I'm going to take the car key after I said, why don't you just leave it here? That's not professional either. That's
Okay.
2 strikes, bro. Okay? So how about you leave the car key since the car is right there, or I can go call Mark and find out what he's doing while he's working.
That's what we asked to begin with. That would be awesome.
Okay, appreciate it.
Oh my goodness.
All right, yeah, he's at work. I can just take the key.
Well, we need to talk to Mark, so. And who's Tammy? You said it's his mom?
Tammy is Mark's mom, yeah. Mark, you like to say?
Can you at least just get him on the phone for us, and then we'll turn the keys over to you?
All right. I can't get him on the phone again, so I don't know.
Okay,
What
well,
you guys want to do?
well, he can come. Where's his mom live?
Where's it gonna be at?
It'll be at the sheriff's office. It'll be in property.
Palmcoast?
Yeah.
Palmcoast Sheriff?
Well, the one in Benel.
Yeah, the one in Benel, it's going to be our operations over there, so...
Okay. All right, cool. He'll be done work probably around like 5.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, sorry guys.
All right.
Hey, do you know who? Because Taylor wanted her boyfriend to know that she got arrested and everything.
Yeah, where? Say, is she at that sheriff's office too?
She's gonna be. She's at the jail. Yeah.
Okay, all right, yeah. No,
Okay.
I'll pass the word along.
Okay.
27-year-old Taylor Crowningshield was charged with fleeing and eluding, resisting arrest without violence, and attempted escape. Taylor is currently being held without bond at the Sheriff Perry Hall Inmate Detention Facility, awaiting extradition to Vermont. She remains innocent unless or until proven guilty in a court of law.